It's number 5, vlog number 5. You made it to vlog number 5. Now guess what? I gotta kick this day off with some energy. I am at the gym and I got the gym to myself. I have the whole entire gym to myself. I got the gym to myself. So right now it's all about my workout. We got some fruit water here to rehydrate. I got all these machines here for myself. All these. We got the weights down there. We got here. It's about to go down. Workout music. Gang gang. Workout. That was a good workout, man. I'm feeling pumped. I'm feeling pumped. I'm gonna try to do some spray paint art. If you don't know what spray paint art is, this is what it looks like. So right now I'm gonna go do my spray paint art. I got my little set. I got my gloss paper here and my bag full of spray paint. Let's go.
With someone you are. With someone you are.
Alright, so yeah, that's it. That's the whole entire painting. Look at that. Let me know what you guys think. I did it. We got that one there. And we got that one there. I did it.
With someone you are.